Hi, this is Farhan Akhtar and you're watching me on Miss Marvel. Well, I must admit that as far as most of my shoots go, it was a very, very comfortable shoot. And it was extremely well organized and well planned. I mean, yeah, it was just, I had to go, I had to be the host of a party. And that's something that I fortunately have a lot of experience with. So it was just nice to go there, be myself, welcome guests, and look suitably impressed by everything that's going on around me. Which unfortunately happened in VFX later, so I couldn't get to see it live. Well, um, my wife and me just moved into our new home it's been about 2 years now. And actually, in all honesty, that was the time that I was really, really busy with shooting on Dawn 2, followed by the shoot on Bag Milka Bag. So for the first year, I didn't spend that much time at home. So a lot of it was done by Aduna, in terms of what the house would be like. And she's got a great aesthetic and really, really good sense of style, sense of color. So I trust her implicitly on that. My two things was that I wanted the house not the walls not to be too dark. I wanted them to be light, so it just keeps the mood kind of like light, which was nice. And the other thing was that the windows should be soundproof. Was was the other thing to keep the cacophony of sound outside. I'll be very honest with you. I don't think so hard about what it is that I'm going to wear on any given day. When I do think about that I need to make clothes, I think again it's important to have people around you that you can trust. So be it Govinda Mehta who does clothes for me, be it Arjun Basim who's done clothes for me. There are people whose personal sense of style, whose take on films that I've worked with. With Arjun especially, I've worked on a couple of films with him and he's got again a great sense of style. So I just trust these people and I tell them that I need to get some clothes made that I can wear on a formal occasion or something that I can go and hang out with. And they either source or they stitch. That's how I tend to do it. So whether it's in my personal style or then again, I mean when it comes to film or it comes to stuff going on in the house, it's just important to have people around you can trust. Not to that extent. Not to that extent. That was very very professional. What was happening last year, and it's a completely different lifestyle, and it doesn't really allow for any kind of strain. Even one night of going out, you have to be up by 5:30. So it's a very disciplined lifestyle, which when you're not doing it for a purpose of for a film or to win a medal if you were an athlete, it would be very very difficult to maintain. And now I'm back to working on scripts and working on different films. So the body clock has gone for a toss again. So it's difficult to maintain that, but I mean I hope I get reason to do it again. Well, and there's many interesting things going on currently. I mean, of course, I'm just finishing the shoot on Shadi Ke Side Effects, so that's something that's happening. Looking forward to starting Zoya soon next year, which we're producing. And there's 2 or 3 very interesting scripts that I've said yes to. Now I just need to figure out the time for when I'm going to be doing them. So yeah, it should be a busy next year for sure. I'll just like to say thank you, and I'm very very grateful for all these years of support. Thank you very much.